I've done something new with my trade seller to sort of single out how the different setups that I use perform. So if you look at my screen here, you can see over in the left bar here, you can see the different tabs, and I'm going to strategies. So I set up a couple of different strategies. You can do that over here on the right, create strategy, and then you can create your own. You can also take others, templates, and so on. But I've created 3 key setups. I have the New York VWAP break, the New York VWAP bounce, and the double break. And this was just to get me started. So those 3, I tag each of my trades into one of those 3 categories. And I've done that over the last couple of months now. And you can see the results here. So the double break trade has a win rate of 67%. That's only 6 trades, so it's not that much statistics, but it's looking promising. For the 2 other types, the New York VWAP break, that is when we come from below or from above, come down to the New York VWAP and then cross it. So continuation across the VWAP, that's a break trade in either direction. The bounce is when we come down to it or up to it and then bounce as a continuation of an upwards or a downwards trend. Now, this is stats going back to mid-April, and you can see that the break trade is almost 80% win rate across 14 trades on this account. The bounce is only a 44% win rate. This was really performing earlier in the year, so it's a big difference between the break and the bounce trades. And I think that to the change in market conditions where we had a big rip in March and April, that has turned into markets flattening out or topping out, rolling over a little bit. So we're more sideways now in May and June, which means the bounce plays are just not as likely to play out. Conversely, the break plays have played out very nicely. So I'm going to continue and in fact ramp up the number of break trades that I take and be more picky with my bounce trades until I see a shift in market conditions in the higher time frame. This is just one of the ways I'm using the data, the actual data of my trades to improve as we move along. And I'm also learning about how my trades perform in different market contexts. If you are not logging and journaling and reviewing your trades, you're missing out on so much information that can help you improve your trading.